it going? Welcome to another video upload from Aspie with Attitude. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is David. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I have autism. I have some speech difficulty, a speech impairment, and a speech impairment, and I have speaker syndrome, and that's why I call myself an Aspie. I'd like to welcome you to Mentone Beach. Just as a quick disclaimer, I cannot help the breeze at all, since you're going to hear this wind distortion. If anyone in the comments did want me to get a sick mic to be loud and clear, just absolutely impossible. And I was just lucky to find a bit of a windbreak, just to make one thing clear. There's going to be kind of noises of water splashing and wind distortion when I'm trying to narrate. That's why it's so hard to make videos on the beach, and I haven't done much as I thought or should or would or could do. So like, there's going to be just less talking if I can't really talk, and I'll be starting to go for a swim, and you can just see how I'm actually got my tracksuit pants on. Something I had back in maybe May 2009. I had those tracksuit pants since I was 29 years old. Now that I'm 43 years old, and I've managed to still have them because of the vertical writing. I thought I'm just going to go for a swim at the beach with these blue pants on. Dudes, what should you think of this video that I've just made? At least I get to sort of finish it off now that I've caught a break in the wind. Since it was just very hard the way I started off, since I had a very terrible start with the sounds of crushing wave and wind distortion. So hopefully I'm free from all that now, because this is when my swim ends. And pretty much this is my first time filming at Mentone Beach. And I think I'll make this as the last. Since I didn't really like this beach as much, so I'm going to try different beaches around Port Phillip Bay, and it's highly unlikely I'll ever go back to the same beach twice. Since I've already pretty much did beach down the Mornington Peninsula, I'm actually pretty much beyond it, more closer to the city. So like if you like what I'm doing for these videos, you can always please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aspie with Attitude. That's all I ever ask for in terms of support. And also, you can ring this notification bell if you want to keep up to date with Aspie with Attitude. And please don't forget to like and share this video content around. That way you're showing more support to this YouTube channel, Aspie with Attitude. And also, I'm going to leave a playlist down below in the description if you want to check out all my previous top versus wind videos. Since this one's obviously done at the beach, I've done some at the pool, at the lake, and in rivers. And it's always wearing the same kind of clothes, and I definitely love to swim my tracking pants on. So like since I'm off the sand, I can just sort of like just bring it down just to that level. Yeah, just to stop getting the sand clogging my pants, since I'm going to get out of it in a minute. Yeah, I've just really enjoyed this one, and you can always leave a comment down below and to let me know what you think of these videos. And since I'm going to sit behind me, something I haven't done yet is a fidget spinner nose trick if I can do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video content, since I'm actually really wet and happy, and I always love to go for a swim with my clothes on. Peace and respect, and see you next time on Aspie with Attitude.